Hello everyone, how to towards back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to introduce app. It's called Dream Live Talent Streaming. So Dream Live, it's a talent streaming app, and you can find people and you can get appreciation from them. You can show your creativity and talents to the people, and here are some options. Like if you click here and audio chatting, so you can chatting audio, live streaming, you can come on live stream, party, PK and talent, VIP membership. If you want feature, then you can be a VIP membership, and you can see the name of the app, Dream Life Talent Streaming. 4.4 out of 5 the rating and 71 reviews, and you can see 154 megabyte size, and 500 plus people already use this app. So it's really easy to use. You need to go Google Play Store or App Store, then use download this or install this application and start to use. And if you learn some ratings and reviews, and go here, and here are some positive reviews you can see, and there are also some negative reviews, but they are so uh, good authorities. They replied all the question. If you have some question and issue, then you can let them know, they'll fix it. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.